Hello friends, today we are going to discuss about the marketing management under which the chapter is pricing strategies. So earlier we have discussed about the concept of pricing and then different steps of setting price. Today we are going to discuss about the price adaptation strategy. Price adaptation strategies. First one is geographical pricing. Then second is price discounts and allowances. Third is promotional pricing. And fourth is differentiated pricing. So these are the different price adaptation strategies. We will discuss about them one by one. First one is geographical pricing. So under the geographical pricing, there are the different ways of setting different ways of price adaptation by the two parties, means the purchasers and the sellers. So under this these are the different ways of pricing strategies adaptations. So as we discuss over here that we see the four ways of geographical pricing. First one is barter systems. As we know that under barter system, direct exchange of goods is there. It means that the purchaser who wants to purchase some goods are required to give goods instead of money. So they are exchanging the goods with each other. This system is known as the barter system. Second, under the geographical pricing is compensation deal. Under this, the payment in products and cash. It means that here purchaser purchase some goods, but instead of them they are required to pay some of the products. They are required to pay some in the form of products they have with them and plus cash. It means that here particularly under the barter system, what is there, that there is exchange of goods instead of goods. Here particularly in the compensation deal, the exchange of goods and also cash instead of goods. So buyers can pay in form of products and cash under the compensation deal. Next is buyback arrangement. So under this, the payment is in form of products manufactured by the supplied equipments and cash. So here what happens particularly here in the buyback arrangement, the what manufacturers receives the equipments from the particular, you can say here from the suppliers. So instead of them, that particular manufacturers who receives the equipments, they are required to provide the payment in form of products and cash. It means that whatever number of products they are producing by using these equipments, these products are also required to give them as per the contract or deal with them, and plus some cash is also required to pay. Next is offset. Under offset type of geographical pricing adaptation strategies, it receives the payments in cash but agrees to spend some of the money in the products of that country. Particularly under the offset, what we say that when any company can buy the products from the foreign company, they are required to pay some money and also provide some products of their own country, means products which they are manufacturing in their own country. So second is price discounts and allowances. This is also one of the price adaptation strategy under which these are the different ways of setting the price strategies. Setting the price, particularly strategies of price. Cash discounts, quality discounts, seasonal discounts, trade discounts, allowances. So under price discounts and allowances, as we saw that first one is cash discounts. Here what particularly, that discounts gives to cash early or prompt payments. It means that whenever a buyer buys some goods, if they pay early and early or prompt payment is made by them, then they will get the cash discount. It means that at the time of buying the products, if you give the payment in cash, then you will get some cash discounts, like 5% off for cash payments, like this. Then second way is quantity discount. Discounts given to those who buy large volumes. So here particularly the discount is given to those buyers only who can buy the products in large quantities. Say for example, if you can buy the 10 items, then you can get all items at half price, like this. So such type of quantity discount is provided by the seller to the buyer. Then next is seasonal discount. So discounts given to products or services that are out of season. So what happens that in season some of the products are only sold in particular season. So during the off season also particularly we can provide the discount, and then by this way we can generate we can get the customers, or we can generate the sales, like this. So end of season sale up to 40% off, like this. Such type of what we can say discounts is provided under the seasonal discount. So out of season means when there is no season of a particular products and demand is not there. So to attract the customers or to generate the demand, we are required to use such type of discount. It is called the seasonal discounts. Then next is trade discount. Trade discount, discounts given by the manufacturer to resellers, and that is why particularly it is called the trade discount. Trade discount means what? Particularly that the persons who are trading means they are reseller of the products. So it is given to the our particularly we can say channel members, wholesalers, retailers, distributors. So such type of discounts which are provided to which are provided to such type of resellers is generally considered as the trade discount. So 30% trade discount, 20% trade discount, like this. So the traders can buy the products and they will get the discount. So accordingly they will get the benefit, and at the same time the seller can attract the market or attract the customers or generate the demand, like this. Then next is allowances. Discounts given to gain reseller participation in special programs. So here particularly from the company side or from the manufacturer side, we arrange some of what we can say special programs under which we are giving the allowances to the persons who are participating in it, and accordingly they will get the benefit of that. Then next, third is promotional pricing. So promotional pricing adaptation strategy is one type of strategy in which we are using the different ways to promote our products. Here these are the different ways, means special event pricing, back to school for order over $50, like this. So this is what an exam this is what particular the special event pricing. It means that one of the time when there is a special occasion or event, and for that particularly we are giving discount for discount with the decreasing in the price. So by this way we can provide the special event pricing. So this is also one of the way this is which is adapted by the seller to attract the customers, and buyers can also adapt this strategy. Then cash rebates. So this is, as we know that it is generally get cash back. It means that if you are doing the payment in the case in a particular time when it is there, then you can get cash rebates. It means that buy the products of, say for example, products of TV which of which price is 15,000, then you can get cash rebates of 1,000 or 2,000, like this. It means that at the time of payment you can get the cash back. So this is known as the cash rebate. Payment in installment, that is low interest financing. So here particularly what if the buyer buy the products at the same time they can get the finance with the low interest. It means that they are not required to pay the full amount of the product price, but only an installment of the price, or particularly we can say at the initial stage they are required to pay the initial price, and after that installment every 1 month, or they are required to pay an installment for the remaining amount of the price, like this. So this is also known as the low interest financing. Particularly here the interest charged by the seller is either 0% mostly or very low percentage. So whatever the actual price of the product is there, at the initial stage only an initial amount is required to pay by the buyer, and the remaining amount is paid in the installment. So actually there is no interest is charged by the seller, or either very low, like this. Then next is larger payment terms. So here particularly it is a strategy in which a seller can sell the products at the larger payment terms, in the sense that they are providing the very more what particular I can say installments as per the which is suitable for the buyers, like this. So larger payment terms in the sense that if the earlier, if generally it is decided to make the installment in 10 installment, but if the buyer wish to pay the payment of that particular products at in 15 installments, then also it is provided, it is make applicable by the seller. So longer payment terms is also there, one of the price adaptation strategy. Then warranties and service contracts. So this is also one of the promotional pricing strategy, under which particularly we can say warranties is provided to the buyer for more than what actually it is available into the market in a common way. So for example, if the warranty is of the 1 year is provided by the other parties, then generally this particular company can provide the more years of warranty for that particular products. And service contracts. Service contracts includes the providing the free service for a particular period of time or a very low charge, like this. So these are the different price adaptation strategies which is adopted by the companies for the promotional pricing, like this. Then next is about the differentiated pricing. Differentiated pricing, as the name is suggests, that we are charging the different price from the different buyers. Price discriminations in selling a product at 2 or more prices. So sell the same products, but price is not same. It might be 2 or more, like this. Then customer segment pricing means different customer groups pay the different prices for the same product or services. Then product form pricing. Different versions of the products are priced differently, but not proportionately to their cost. This concept is very important to understand, that different versions of the products are priced differently. It means that the products is particularly what we can say product is technologically upgraded, or product is going to made updated, but the prices charged for that particular updated product is generally comparatively more high than that of it should be, like this. And that is why here it is specified that but not proportionately to their cost. It means that if for adding or for technically upgradation of that products, if the cost rises 5%, then the prices is not proportionately rises. It means the 5%, but it might be rise more than 5%. It means it might be 15 to 20%, like this. So here with compared to the cost which is increased, the price is increased more than that of cost. So it is here specified that for the different versions of the products, the price is charged more than that of cost which is generated because of the new version, like this. Then next is image pricing. The same product are priced at 2 different levels based on the image differences. Just because of the look is different of the products, and then only the price is charged differently. So this is also one of the price adaptation strategies under differentiated pricing. Next is channel pricing. A product is priced depending on where it was purchased. So like this here in example, fine restaurants, fast food chain or vending machine, like this. So we know very well about this, that particularly if we are we are purchasing any particular products from the common shop, and with compares to the fine restaurant or to particularly what we can say shopping mall. So price charge in the shopping mall and the fine restaurant is generally greater than that of what is price charge in the normal shop. So by this way it is also different. So channel pricing is one of the price adaptation strategy under the differentiated pricing. What we pay for a particular tea to a general shop is less than that of we pay for the same type of tea in a fine restaurant. This is what here the different in the form of channel is concerned. So through which channel we are buying the products is also depend. At the same time we are required as a consumer, as a user, as a buyer, we are required to pay the different price at the time of using this different number of channels. Location pricing. Same product is priced differently at different locations even though the cost is the same. It is also many times experienced by us that the same type of product is charged differently in the form of price. Means price of the same type of product is different in the different area of locations. Sometimes in the metro cities the price of particular same product is high or low. It might depends upon what type of product is there, but actually the same product is priced differently at the different location. Then the time pricing. Prices are varied by season, day or hour. Means weekends or weekdays or early bird customers like this. So we have many time experienced such time pricing related price adaptation strategy also, that we see that on a particular days there is a discount available. There is discount available. Say for example during the weekdays we get the more discounts, and that is why during the weekend days there are more traffic in a shopping mall like this. And also shopping mall or such type of what we can say store can attract the customers by providing the discounts in a particular day where generally there is less traffic. So that particular owner of the mall wish to generate the more traffic on that particular day, and that is why they are providing the discounts on that day. And also early bird customers, it means what particularly the customers who can buy the products early. It means that early 10 customers who buy these products can get the discount 10% like this. So such type of early bird discount is also provided by most of the retailers. So this is what particularly related to the time pricing. So these are the different ways which are there under the differentiated pricing. So these are also these are the strategies, price adaptation strategies under the differentiated pricing. I think all of you have got a clear idea about all this. Thank you all. Thank you very much.